Hey guys, I'm really excited to do this get ready with me hair and makeup look. This video is sponsored by Lord & Taylor. So let's just jump right into it. Before I put on my foundation, I like to start with some sort of serum and a moisturizer to prep my skin. And then for my foundation, I'm going to be using the SPF foundation from Bobbi Brown. It's their Longwear Weightless Foundation and it has an SPF of 15. So this actually has full coverage. It has a really natural and breathable look. So it does have a 16-hour formula and it's waterproof and sweatproof. So this is great for the beach. Then you can just go in with your concealer and highlight the areas that you want to brighten up, and you can go ahead and set that with a powder. Next, I'm going in with the Nars Laguna bronzer. Nars is honestly one of my all-time favorite brands. They just have such luxury makeup. I love this bronzer because it just has a really great tone for olive tone skin. It just really looks natural, so I had a artificial tan on and I needed to match it, so this looks really, really great. You can use this bronzer with a big fluffy brush if you want more of an all-over bronzed look in your skin tone, or you can use a more compact brush like I'm doing now to do more contouring because it does blend really nice and effortlessly. This is definitely one of those ride or die bronzers to always have in your makeup bag, so I definitely recommend picking this one up. Then you can go in with your favorite blush and highlight just to complete your glow, give you a natural flush when you're out there in that sun. And then of course you don't want to miss out on adding a really amazing glow, because at the beach is when it's just so beautiful in that direct sunlight. When it's hot out, especially when you're at something like a pool party or the beach, I like to keep it really easy on the eyes. So I'm actually going to go back in with the bronzer that I used, and I'm just going to use that right in the crease and just blend that out really nicely. And that's when everything just looks really nice and monochromatic, and it goes so nicely together, the tones, and it's like the no makeup type feel, and just gives you that really nice natural look. When it comes to mascara, you're definitely going to want a waterproof one so you have no smudging or flaking. And this one is one of my favorites from Lancome. It's called Monsieur Big, and it has such a great brush. I love it. It really helps to fan out the lashes but give them just enough volume so you're getting a lot of density, and it just makes everything look so nice and perfect. They say that it gives you up to 12 times more volume. I feel like it's so much more than that, but it just helps fan out your lashes, give you a lot of density. And you guys know my trick. I like to brush down and then up a few times so you're coating the bottom and the top to get that much more volume. The next item I can't wait to share with you guys is from YSL. This is their Tintin Balm. This is a new hybrid lipstick combined with a bunch of moisturizing goodness. It has macadamia, apricot butters, it has passion fruit, coriander, jojoba oil. So this is going to really help when you're outside in that harsher weather. You don't want chapped lips, so you can keep them nice and moisturized. So this has a really sheer color that's still vivid and transparent, but I absolutely love this and I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. This is perfect for a beach day. All right, so next, you definitely can't go to the beach without some beach waves. So we're going to add some in with a 1-inch barrel, just a wand that I have. So this gets really nice and hot. You don't have to leave it on for long. I just kind of twist it around and alternate the curls. And then I'm using the Wave Spray. This is really nice and weightless, but it gives you a really nice, like effortless textured look for that undone, just got out of the ocean look, right? Like your hair air dried, which is my favorite because I'm super lazy with my hair. So this is great because it's perfect for next day, all that kind of jazz. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you really liked it. Make sure to thumbs up this video, leave me some love and some feedback on your thoughts in the comments below. Also, add in every single beach emoji you can find. That's your challenge. Don't forget to always choose love and light. We know the world needs it. I will see you guys next time.